In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Manychat with ChatGPT using a basic Zapier-like plugin, and we'll accomplish this in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in straight away to make this integration smooth and effective. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zapier homepage. Just type Zapier into your search engine, and it should be one of the first results you see. Zapier is a handy tool that lets different applications talk to each other, helping you automate tasks seamlessly. Once you're on the Zapier website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but it's free and doesn't take long. After you're logged in, look for the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow where you set up an automated task between your chosen apps. Here, you're going to select Manychat as your triggering application. Manychat is a fantastic tool for managing your chatbot activities, and by setting it as the trigger, we can initiate a sequence based on particular events. You'll then be asked to select a specific trigger event for this workflow. You might choose something like Chat Opened or New Subscriber. These are typical events that occur whenever someone sends a message or begins an interaction with your bot. The next step is to connect your Manychat account to Zapier. Just follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. With Manychat set up, it's time to move on to selecting the Action app. In this case, you'll be choosing ChatGPT, or alternatively, OpenAI, if that's the available option. Once selected, you will need to specify an action, such as Send Prompt. To complete the integration, connect your ChatGPT account using your API key, allowing Zapier to send data to and from ChatGPT. Now, add a new action step, selecting Manychat once again. This time, you'll choose an action like Send Message or Send Dynamic Message. This action is crucial as it determines what response gets sent back to the user based on the input processed by ChatGPT. Once everything is set up, click Continue to move on to mapping your data. This step involves connecting the necessary fields from Manychat to ChatGPT and vice versa, ensuring that the right information flows between them. Finally, it's essential to give your new Zap a test run. Zapier allows you to test your workflow to catch any errors before they go live. If everything checks out, hit the Publish button and your automation will be up and running. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to connect Manychat with ChatGPT using Zapier. This integration is perfect for streamlining communication and making sure your chatbot interactions are as intelligent and dynamic as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials.